guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing this slime. Literally the third one. And this one's called Karina's Pre-Made School Lunch. Okay. Okay, so this one, it smells like peanut butter. Okay. I can smell. Oh, I hate to see it. Okay, there we go. Ooh. This looks so good. Okay, not just saying right now. No, this is. It's a clear base at the bottom, and then there's some butter slime at the top. Oh, this smells like peanut butter. Ugh. Ew. One smells like chocolate and one smells like peanut butter. It's a little rippy. I wonder if she makes it or if they're just like put it on, slap a label on it, or if she actually. I think she has to make it overactivated because if it's melted, because if it melts, then it'll be a sticky mess, and then they'll be like. But it's still really good slime. You see that? This is the slime. I give it a 5 out of 10. I should have put this on. I give this one a 7 out of 10. Okay, now we have some banana slime. Another seal. Let me just. Oh my god, this feels. Oh my god, no way. I think this is. Oh, it's another butter slime. This is so nice. Oh my god, this is like incredible. I love Karina slimes. They're like so nice. Oh, and they smell so good. Ready? Oh, I give this one. This one's a little bit nicer. I think I give it the same because they feel kind of different. I keep putting this top up. I'm putting this all the way up. Right. So let's put it in. Now the banana slime. Next we have apple slime. Another. Again. Okay. I'm excited for this one. And I'm excited because it has sprinkles. At the bottom, there's some apple sprinkles. Here, I'll just show you at the bottom. See? Apple sprinkles. It's so cute. I think she didn't make it if there's charms in here. Because I don't think they would know to add charms. But they're kind of all chunky in one spot. So I gotta mix them. Look, ready? Oh, okay. This one's kind of more rippable. But I get it because clear slimes are harder to make than white slimes. But they're super cute. See, look at that. It's so cute. We have one more slime after this, and then we'll be done. And that'll be ASMR time. So I rate this one. Oh. smells like a green apple, so I give it a 9 out of 10 because I love green apples. Green shirt. Here's some. This is strawberry jelly slime. Again, this looks so nice. Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at it. This is so nice. I don't even want to like squeeze it because in all the bubbles. Okay. Look how nice this is. Oh my goodness. It smells like you know those fresh cut strawberries? Yeah. Look how clear. Like, I don't know how I get skinny, but ready? It is. Okay, now it is ASMR time. Ready for the ASMR time. Hold on. I got my ASMR board. Here we go. So first, we got peanut butter slime. Here we go. So I'm gonna taste it like this. Okay. Nice butter slime. Do, 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 do. Now it's the slime swirl. Butter slimes, if they don't swirl, then they're not butter slimes. Because butter slimes are made for their swirls. Okay, let's give it a swirl. Ooh, that's kind of a good swirl. Kind of. Okay. So make sure you rate this peanut butter slime down in the comments down below. Wait, where's the lid? Oh, here it is. So that is the peanut butter slime. And I'll do a display at the end so you can make sure you get all the names. But here's the peanut butter slime. Boop. And now we're gonna do the banana slime. No, it's all stuck to the lid. Oh, good thing this is kind of over-regulated so it doesn't really stick. Okay. Anyway. I feel like on ASMR, this is the best. Except, it kind of smells like medicine. It's nice. It's weird. Okay, now it's time for the apple slime. literally cut myself. I literally cut myself. Okay. I don't know if I can do this. Yeah, it's starting to bleed, so I'll just see you all next time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.